Hello everyone, welcome to UPSC Work Ethics. This is my first video on my YouTube channel regarding UPSC preparation. So this video is about the fundamental rights, which is the most important chapter regarding UPSC preparation and the most favorite topic of UPSC. So fundamental rights is taken from United States of America and which is enshrined in Part 3 of the Indian Constitution from Article 12 to 35, and it is also called the Magna Carta of India. So at the time of implementation of Constitution, which is 26 January 1950, there were 7 fundamental rights, but the 6th fundamental right, which was right to property, was abolished by the 44th Constitutional Amendment Act 1978 by the Janata Party government headed by the Morarji Desai. So we have only 6 fundamental rights right now. So the first fundamental right, which is right to equality, is from Article 14 to 18. The second fundamental right is right to freedom, is from 19 to 22. The third fundamental right is right against exploitation from Article 23-24, and the fourth fundamental right is right to religious freedom from Article 25 to 28. The fifth fundamental right is from Article 29-30 and is cultural and educational right, and the sixth fundamental right, which was right to property, was abolished, as I have said earlier, and the sixth fundamental right, which was the seventh fundamental right earlier, was right to constitutional remedies, which was enshrined in Article 32, and which was called the soul of the Indian Constitution by the Baba Saheb Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee. And under Article 32, the citizens of India and the foreigners can go to Supreme Court directly under Article 32, and the High Court under Article 226. And High Courts and Supreme Court can issue 5 writs: habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, quo warranto, and prohibition to restore the fundamental rights of the aggrieved citizen. So that's why it is called the soul of the Indian Constitution, because the Supreme Court is the guarantor of the fundamental rights by these 5 writs, and also the guardian of fundamental rights by the feature of judicial reviews. So this is all from this video, and I will discuss the fundamental rights in detail maybe in the next video. Thank you.